This is a basic strategy on Google simply by monetizing mobile games. Okay, in this very video I'm going to simply show you how you can easily create a mobile game app that can easily run on Android and iOS without writing any single code. Okay, so on this very platform you can create 3D gaming app. These are varieties of applications you can create on this very platform without even writing any single code. You need to do is simply watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to break this down and show you how everything works. And if you watch this video down to the very end, I'm going to give you a bonus tip that will help you to even publish your app on app stores for people to download. Okay, and this is totally for free, and you can do this no matter where you're watching from, even with your mobile phone. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get into the main business right away. The first thing you need to do is simply head over to this very website. This is called Gdevelop.io. So this mobile app are gaming app that can easily run on iOS and Android. Okay, you have to create your account on the platform, or you log in if you have an account already. So if you are totally new, you have to simply click on the login button, then click on the continue with Gmail. Alright, so once you sign in, this is how your account is going to look like. Okay, right now I'm going to simply walk you on how you can create your mobile game with Google AdMob. Alright, so I have to simply head over to this section right here. Then you have to simply select the type of mobile game you want to create. If you want to create a 3D car game, or you want to create the 3D classic runner game, anyone you feel like creating, go ahead and select that. Okay, so for me, I think I have to simply go with this one. Then I'm going to simply hit on this one right here. Just customize the spy group and the coin. Okay, anyhow you want it to look like, just go ahead and add dots. So you have to simply click on this preview button. Alright, so this is the mobile game. So if you click on this start button, let's see how it should look like. Go back from here. Okay, so cancel this. Then you click on this next button. Then click on the next button again. It is loading and importing the game. Okay, so let's allow it to load. Alright, so you can see right here, this is the game here. If you click on this small button here, you click on this open button, just edit it, okay, so that you can display advertisement on this very application. So for you to do that, click on this button right here, which is the menu button. Then come over to properties right here. If you click on the properties, you can see these are the details of the application. You can change the name. Okay, because people come here to create mobile application games, they might be using the same name. All right, so you have to pick a unique name for your game. All right, so let's say you want to call it let's say FX Runner. Remove this one right here, then add, let's paste it here. Okay, so that is the name of the game. All right, so you can add the name of the author if you want to add it, but if you don't want to add, skip that. Then you scroll down to the main part. You can see right here, this is the package name, and because you've already changed the name of the game, we're going to simply change the package name as well. Okay, so let's click on this, paste the package name we've already selected as this. Then make sure all of them are written together. Just make sure there is no space. Okay, so we've already added that. And the mobile version should be, let's say you want to add like Android 13. Let's say you want to add Android 13 to this. Scroll down a little bit, you're going to see other details. Okay, and the main point is to simply add the AdMob ad unit. Okay, when you paste that, then you're going to simply paste the same ID for iOS. Okay, because this game can play on Android, it can also play on iOS device. Okay, so when you're done with all of that, go ahead and click on this save button and apply it. Okay, so this is going to simply apply. So the package name has been saved, everything has been saved. Just click on the save changes, and when this is saved, go ahead and download your application. When you download your application, you can easily go ahead and promote the application and get traffic to it. Remember, the traffic you're getting to this very application is download. Okay, you want people to be able to play your games, you want people to interact with your game. So when you download your application, there are many ways to promote that. It's either you publish it on App Store, which is for iOS device, or you publish it on Google Play Store, which is for Android device. Okay, so if you don't want to publish on those two platforms, there are other platforms that are not competitive. Okay, like these platforms are where most of my apps are published, and you can easily go ahead and publish your own app here and get traffic to it. Okay, so I'm going to simply show you just three. Okay, there are many I use, but I'm going to simply review just three in this very video. And if you want me to give you more links of other platforms where I promote my applications. Okay, so the first website that I use to promote my application and get download, it's called intuit.com. right, this is the name of the website. All you need to do is simply go ahead and create your developer account. When you create your developer account, then you can easily go ahead and publish your application right there. This particular app store is not really competitive, so that is the first website. The second website where you can publish your application is called n.uptodown.com. right, so this is the application right here, and this particular website is going to allow you to create a developer account. When your developer account is created, you can publish both iOS, Android app on this very platform. You can also publish Windows app, web app on this same website and get downloads to it just for free. Okay, so you can simply utilize these very platforms and promote your application. All right, so I've already given you like two. I told you I'm going to give you three in this very video. So if you need more, you can simply go ahead and join us on a Telegram channel where I'm going to drop the full link right there on your DM. Okay, so the next website, which is one of the best I like so much, is Pub.app. All right, so this is called Pub.app. This very website allows you to promote your mobile app, your gaming app, your Android, iOS app, any type of app you're building, whether it is 1 day old or 5 years old. You can publish it here and get visibility to that very application. All you need to do is simply head over to this very website, then hit on this red button that says publish an application. Create your account. Once your account is created, go ahead and access your AAB file from this very platform where you created the application. From here, when you access that, head straight to this very website, publish your app, and it is going to be reviewed. Then if you search your application on any browser, you can simply see it. Anybody can do this, no matter where you're watching from. Okay, and I've already made a full tutorial on how you can simply publish your app on Amazon App Store or Play Store. Okay, go ahead and join us on the Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, and also on our Patreon. I've already created a forum, a Pilot Vibes forum, where you can actually learn together on Telegram. Right, so if you've been on Telegram, on our WhatsApp, you know the update that is going on right there. Simply go ahead and join us. So if you found this helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you want to learn how to start a blog website that generates traffic, the video showing on screen right now is going to simply help you to achieve that. Okay, see you in that very video.